Hey friends, if you wish to fix HTMLayout.dll missing error on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now it's not very difficult. Here's what you have to do. Whenever we encounter any issue with missing DLLs, our first approach should be to perform an SFC scan, which will check for missing and corrupt files on the computer and replace them if possible. And the next one will be to reinstall Microsoft C++ redistributable. So we will proceed accordingly. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and then click on Run as Administrator in the right pane. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the sfc scan. Okay, this is one solution. The next one is to open the browser and search for Microsoft C++ redistributable. And then go to Microsoft C++ redistributable here. Click on Visual Studio 2015, 2017, 2019 and 2022. And then you can select the x64 version and then click on Open. So when you click on Open, if it is already installed, you'll get an option to repair. Mostly it is already installed. Simply click on Repair. If not, then you can go to the installation wizard and this will fix the problem. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.